My name's Colwin. I'm a wood turner of 40 years. I'm currently now at my own workshop at Miller's Farm Shop in Kilmington, Axminster, where we're running full-time courses, and we've got a shop selling everything we make. The way I tend to work, my inspirations really come from people I see, other turners, videos, books, or items, you know, the other turn pieces around the world. So they're my inspirations. Nature as well. I've been doing a series of bird forms recently, and they've really inspired me. The way these forms in nature are quite fluid and easily replicated on the lathe. Every fortnight we're also doing our YouTube channel, so we're doing an hour-long how-to on YouTube live. So we've developed quite a nice little group of people that follow that. So there's lots of tools I couldn't be without, as well as my traditional turning tools, of course. But there's other things that I'm using pretty much all of the time. Chucks are a big part of my life, and I'm very lucky to have worked for Axminster Tools for 28 years, and along that way seen and been involved in the development of the chucks and centres that they now make. Big parts of my day include using the SK114 and the 100 and the jaws associated with those. I'm really into the O'Donnell jaws, again probably one of my favourite jaws. So anybody wanting to further their skills in turning, really it's all about the practice. It's about the practice, it's about seeing as many different turners as you can, it's taking inspiration from wherever. Don't start too big, start nice and small, and practice, practice, practice.